Hello, welcome to Late Night Creations. I'm Kendra and I'm really glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to paint styrofoam successfully. So hang around and watch some other videos where I do DIYs, decor makeovers, and home decor on a budget. So I started out with this styrofoam that was given to me that was just going to go in the trash, and I cut out some letters on my Cricut on just some scrap paper. Scrapbook paper. And so I have this double-sided tape that I pick up at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to tape it down on the styrofoam so that I can cut it out without the paper moving around. So this is just my guide. Now I'm going to use my hot knife. I got this on Amazon. It is an amazing tool. It slides right through this styrofoam like cutting butter with a hot knife. Oh my goodness, it is so great. So I'm just going to trace around this, and you have to hold this hot knife straight up and down, and be careful that you don't lean your hand one way or the other or you have beveled edges. So I'm just going to just keep working it through here and till we get it. Now get it all cut out. Now I tried to kind of smooth the edges out a little bit where they were kind of rough, and then I'm going to give it a coat of Minwax polyacrylic. And I get it in a different container, but I just poured it in this container for convenience sake. And I'm going to give it a good coat on the sides and the front, and I think I did a light coat on the back. It dries pretty fast, but I did let it dry overnight just so it wasn't tacky. Then I took it outside on my back porch with a box because it was pretty windy, and I just spray painted it with this Rust-Oleum metallic bright shiny gold. Now I'm making these letters for my grandson's graduation party as decor, so this is working out really great. I'm spelling out his name. So I did all the letters of his name. His name is Carlos. He graduated from high school this year. I'm very proud of him. And so I'm not showing all the letters because I did the same procedure with all the letters, and I was trying to hold my camera and spray paint at the same time. So okay, so here they are all laid out on my floor, and here they are at the graduation on the wall.